Imagine waking up tomorrow and you discovered that money no longer exists. How are you going to navigate your way through life without money? How are you going to purchase goods and services without money? You are welcome to the MDB Crypto Academy. Today, we are going to begin with a simple question. What is money? Money simply is something that is widely accepted by people for the exchange of goods and services. So there has to be an acceptance and there has to be trust. We trust in something and we accept that thing and we use it for the purchase of goods and services and for store of value. Before money, trade by barter was the main medium of exchange. And what is trade by barter? Trade by barter simply was a form of exchange where goods were being exchanged for goods. For example, if I have rice and you have beans, I needed rice, you needed rice, I needed beans. I am going to come to you with my rice. We come into an agreement that I needed your beans and you also accepted that you needed my rice. Then we do our exchange. That was a form of exchange. But then, there were a lot of limitations in that system of exchange because a lot of people felt cheated. Take for instance, I might be having a 50 kg worth of rice and you have just maybe 25 kg worth of beans. I needed that beans, you needed rice. I am forced to take your 25 kilogram of beans and give you my 50 kilogram of rice. Of course, I won't be happy because I felt cheated. The actual value could not be measured. So over the past decade, money has evolved from the trade by barter to using gold and silver to the system we are in now, the fiat system, which is the paper currency we are using. But money has gradually evolved to the digital system. We have today bank apps, you have mobile money. You could simply do a transaction through your phone. And of course, cryptocurrency has also come in. And cryptocurrency is also in the evolution of money because it's a vital part, a transition from the centralized system of monetary system to the decentralized system of the monetary system. When I talk about centralized system or monetary system, what do I mean? The centralized system of monetary system has to do with there's a central body that controls money. For example, in the bank is a central body. The bank keeps your money for you. You save your money, the bank keeps it. Whenever you need that money, you go there and you get that money. People go to the bank, they get loan and they pay commissions. Interest. Think of a monetary system where there's no central body controlling your money. This is where the cryptocurrency is coming with the decentralized. Decentralized system simply means there is no central control. In the central control, you might go to the bank tomorrow to get money and the bank says, we are out of funds today. There is no network, there's no internet connection. You are forced to push through, forward the plans you had to do with money. But in the decentralized system of monetary system, you decide when and how to use your money because you own your money. We are going to be breaking down cryptocurrency into details on this channel for everybody to understand cryptocurrency from a beginner's level to a pro level. So understanding money is a key point to understanding cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency is an evolution of money, monetary system. So in our next chapter, we are going to be talking about why money was created. Why did humans create money? And what are the characteristics of good money? There's a lot to be offered on this channel. I welcome you all and I invite you to stay tuned on this channel. Please subscribe, turn on your notification button because a lot is coming. I will see you on our next lesson. Until then, stay blessed.